Exciting for me to see everything that I've accomplished. It's been hard work for me. I'm not complaining. It's just a process for me. Deciding to make this move was the best decision ever. And I know I will succeed at this. I don't know if anybody can see, but Jacob woke me up. Hey, buddy. You're such a good boy. Did you come to give me some love? He always sits beside me on the bed and stares at me until I wake up. Off to Kelowna. So excited. Oh, waking up for the day. Getting ready for the heater. It's gonna go right in there. I don't know if you guys are ready to see who's gonna be installing it. Well, I think it's about time to introduce who's putting in my heater.
Hey guys, welcome to her channel.
Yeah, thanks Mark for doing this.
No problem. We're gonna make sure she has heat within the day, hopefully.
Yes, awesome. Mark dared to come out on this cold winter's day to do this install for me. Mark, you are amazing. While the installation was going on, I got the pleasure of standing beside this warm, amazing fire that he lit. That noise is music to my ears and warmth to my soul. Nothing like having a face cloth, a hot face cloth to wipe your face in the morning. I love it. Oh, my nice cozy. I love these shirts. They're so nice and warm. I know they're men's shirts, but that's okay. Don't tell anybody. but they're just so cozy. I just can't resist buying them, especially for the winter. Jake and I really love this heater. It is like one of the best upgrades that I've done so far to my van, and I'm looking so forward to doing so many more. I have so many things to do. I'm still in the midst of building, so bit by bit I'll have it all done. A new gas container for my heater. Can you believe Christmas stuff is already up? Well, I'm not familiar with this Walmart. Trying to find the front entrance so I can cash out and get my stuff paid for. I think I'm on my way to the right place. Yep. Yeah, bingo! On my way to pay. It's a good day when you can find your way out. Well, my heater's installed and I'm off on the road back to Kamloops. I can't speak enough about Mark, the painter guy. He is just all around amazing person, and if you ever need anything done for your van, he's the guy to call. So please look him up. His channel will be linked below in my comments. I will also include his email address so you can shoot him off an email if you are in the area and want anything done. Well, I didn't really want to head home after meeting two Vanlifers. Bruce Vanlife Jr. I got to meet as well. What a wonderful, amazing guy. They both have taught me so much, and I can't wait to meet up with them again. What is he doing? Jacob, can you sit for everybody? Show everybody how you sit. Be a good boy and sit. Oh, what a wonderful boy you are. So you just, hey, look, Papa. What do you want?